The SHIB burn rate soared 7,400% over the past week as nearly 2 billion tokens were destroyed. Shiba Inu price to $0.0004 ahead. Market watchers are once again eyeing Shiba Inu price optimistically, primarily attributable to the latest SHIB burn data. Notably, burn statistics on Saturday indicated a whopping 7,400% uptick in the crypto's weekly burn rate, as roughly 2 billion coins were destroyed. In turn, crypto enthusiasts are eyeing a potential $0.0004 target for the renowned dog-themed meme coin ahead amid a bullish Q4 market. SHIB burn surges 7,400% weekly as Kaldharya burns 80 meme coins. According to the official tracker SHIB burn on X, the SHIB weekly burn soared 7,418% on Saturday, 30th November. This colossal surge comes against the backdrop of 1.93 billion coins removed from the meme token's market supply. Notably, with the massive burn surge weighing in, the dog-themed meme coin's total supply at the time of reporting was evaluated as 589.26 trillion tokens. For context, the meme coin's token burn mechanism helps in reducing the asset's excessive market supply by transferring it to a null address. These tokens can never be retrieved, thereby delivering a considerable blow to the crypto's supply. In turn, market watchers anticipate a bullish effect on the asset's price, reflecting the law of supply and demand. Intriguingly, it's also worth mentioning that Shiba Inu executive Kaldharya appears to have contributed significantly to the burn rate surge mentioned above. Kal took to X as of 30th November, revealing that the ecosystem's semi-auto burns have been working for months, burning over 300 meme tokens to date. Moreover, the executive said, "I just burned 80 meme plus SHIB a few minutes ago and enjoyed the cool animation at the end." While these statements solidified optimism about the meme coin's long-term prospects, they also cleared any misconceptions about the autoburns designed to reduce the excessive supply. Additionally, the same executive also revealed that the recent maintenance on Shibrium is complete and that the bridge is now fully functional. This development has further solidified the meme coin's leading stance in the broader sector. On the other hand, Kaldharya also revealed that the team is still working on upgrades for the burn contracts, igniting additional discussions over future price movements. What's ahead for SHIB price? At the time of reporting, SHIB price traded at $0.0000 to 593, down marginally by 0.06%. Its intraday low and high were $0.0000 to 551 and $0.0000 to 633, respectively. Besides, the monthly chart for the coin shows a 39% uptick, underscoring optimism in light of the SHIB burn surge and community advancements. Simultaneously, a Shiba Inu price analysis by CoinGape Media revealed that the token eyes potential gains ahead, although the chances of a $1 target this year remain slim. Besides, if the coin sustains its monthly bullish momentum, it could break the resistance of $0.00003. This bullish drive could further pave the path for a $0.0004 price target in turn.